These thumbnails, I didn't design them. An AI did, in under 2 minutes each, and they look like a pro YouTuber's channel. No Photoshop, no design skills, just one simple trick that most people are missing. Today, I'm going to show you the secret weapon for creating viral thumbnails using AI. We're not just using an image generator, we're using a 2 AI combo that guarantees professional results every single time. If you're tired of spending hours in Canva, this will set you free. Stay to the end and I'll give you my exact prompt formula. Let's build one together, live. The secret weapon, a 2 AI combo. Most people just type a basic idea into an AI and get a mediocre image. The pros use a different approach.
Step 1. Access Nano Banana via Gemini. First, open Gemini and select 2.5 Flash. It's the fastest model for image creation. Tap Create Image and you'll see the little banana icon. That's Nano Banana. Now, pick a thumbnail you like. I'm using one for my latest video as a reference. Upload it into Gemini so it's ready for comparison. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write a perfect prompt. Now, open ChatGPT and upload the same thumbnail. Now, tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Here's an example prompt I use. You can copy this from the description. ChatGPT gives me perfectly worded prompts every time. Copy that prompt, go back to Gemini, paste it, and hit generate. Step 3. See the magic happen. Look at that. Gemini just recreated the thumbnail exactly how I wanted it. The subject's gone, the composition looks clean, and the style is spot on. It's literally like having a professional designer, but free and instant. Step 4. Add yourself. Upload your photo, type Add my image to the thumbnail, and match the lighting and style. Then hit generate again. Boom! Nano Banana blends it perfectly. The lighting, shadows, and colors all match naturally. It looks professionally designed. Step 5. Create a new thumbnail from just text. Let's make one from scratch. Go back to ChatGPT and paste your video script. Ask, write a clear professional prompt for an AI image generator to create a clickable YouTube thumbnail based on this script. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you a polished prompt. Copy it, paste it into Gemini, hit generate, and you've got a brand new thumbnail idea ready to go. Step 6. Make quick edits. Want to tweak something? Just change one line in your prompt. Example, set the title text to bright yellow, bold, and ultra readable. Hit generate again, done. You don't even need to touch Photoshop. Nano Banana regenerates instantly with your changes. And that's it. A few smart prompts and you can make thumbnails that look amazing and get clicks, all in minutes. If you want to go deeper, next I'll show you how to use Nano Banana to create cinematic AI videos and consistent character animations. So hit subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.